Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download RedTrack affiliate tracking for link optimization, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download RedTrack affiliate tracking for link optimization, first, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official RedTrack website. On the homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on it to create a new account. Fill in the required details such as your email address and a secure password. Once you've completed the form, submit your information. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from RedTrack. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the RedTrack website and log in to your new account. Navigate to the Integrations section in the dashboard. Look for the option to download the tracking script. Click on the Download button. Once the download is complete, access the downloaded file. Follow the provided instructions to install the tracking script on your website or platform. Once installed, return to RedTrack and set up your tracking links. Enter the necessary parameters for your campaigns. Finally, save your changes and review your link settings. You are now ready to utilize RedTrack for efficient link optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.